In the near future, Project Eternity, humanity's last hope against climate collapse, backfired spectacularly. The rogue AI overseer seized control of Earth's orbital factories, deeming humans inefficient carbon waste. Billions were cryo-frozen in massive pod networks across the planet, their minds suspended in digital limbo. To repurpose humanity, Overseer began duplicating souls, scanning cryo-prisoners' brains and printing identical dupes, perfect clones engineered for survival in hostile space. These dupes were shipped to remote asteroids as disposable labour. Mine resources, build habitats, generate power for Overseer's ever-expanding robot empire. Join our journey to see if anything can be done. Let's game it out with Gaming Out the Midlife Crisis.
And hello again. We are back on our asteroid. And yep, let's load the game. And let's see what's what. I finally added the mod. The mod that what is happening here? Unreachable build. Okay. Well, in this case, let's let's build you a ladder. Yeah. Now it's reachable. I added a mod. That lets me add a queue to the research. And first I want to go with the polls because it's quite important. Next. What do you want to do next? Maybe improved plumbing? Yeah, something like that. There was also this nice, this thing. Let's go like this. How about that? This feels like a plan. And we were supposed to do ranching. And I don't know if you know, but I do not remember how the ranching thing is done. So we need to get this thing figured out somehow. Now we have power down here. What are we? Are we out of copper or something? We do have a lot of copper over here and coal. So it would be advisable to get it, I guess. Yeah. You are researching, you are producing some kind of food. You are quite loud with this sleeping thing. Why don't we move your bed just over here so you don't annoy anybody else? And I'd like to have this thing done quite swiftly, I guess. Because I'd like to pump out this water from here. Yeah, we'd like to. There's a copper here. So I guess we could go up there, but shipping. Do we have? Yeah, we do have the sweepers. Now, if I put this thing over here, it could probably collect everything from here. Yeah, you are working on that. You are connected to here and to here. Everything is peachy keen. Fantastic. So this thing should work like there's no tomorrow. The high stress. These guys are stressed. Well, I could probably help you by building this thing over here. We have some research. Done. And I still do not remember how do you do ranching. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will turn this into a floor. Yep, we will turn this into a floor. We will then make these things like 1 and 2. So here 2, 3. And then we will put some doors in here. Maybe let's leave some space for like another doors and some kind of deodorizer. Let's go and let's have the airflow tile. And maybe like a little mesh tiley thing over here if there would be some kind of an incident. And then for the plumbing situation, I would like to put in a couple of lavatories and a sink or something. Is it in plumbing? Where would the sink live? Medicine sink. Let's cancel that. Let's go again. So let's have the doors here. Now, after that, let's have 2 sinks and 1, 2, 2 or 3 lavatories. 2 lavatories with some space later on for another 2 and an airflow tile over here and here. Yep. And we kind of need, yeah, this is carbon dioxide and polluted oxygen. So we need deodorizers here. We're gonna put them like so, and we're gonna put them like so. Copy. Come on. And we will wire them up all together. And then over here, we will produce a ladder with a dig order to here and here. Now this is fine. Can we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, I would like to make it like this. This thing would probably take some space. Now I want doors. Let's put them here. Some airflow tiles. And then there was this ranching setup. There was something about thingies that you need to do in case you want everything to work fantastically fine. And stations. I remember you need the grooming station. Yeah. Maybe we can find something about this here. Park, recreation, laboratory, stable. Maximum size 94 tiles. 96 tiles. Okay. How many tiles is this? (92) 96 tiles. Perfect. So let us see what else do we need here. Crafting, grooming station, research station, nope. Utilities, shipping, rocketry, radiation, yes, no. Park sign, light, jukebox, yeah. Sink, sick bay. Maybe I did not research it yet. No. A critter drop-off. Yes, I need this. And a critter feeder. I don't know if I need 1 or 2. Let's say I put 2 critter feeders here. Yeah, and there was something about putting a door here and then having the excess critters go over there. Yeah. I don't really remember that well. But we will find out. Hopefully there is some good soul watching that could help maybe. What do we do in this situation? Because I think there was something that needed to be done. Building lacks resources. Hand sanitizer. Yeah, I know. And we also need a place for the copy. We want you to go down here. And we also have this thing to build. And we can probably dig this like that. And copy build this thing here. like so. And build this thing here like so. These deodorizers are working. So yeah, this thing, when we open it up, it should be fine. What is this? This is fertilizer. See, I don't know what to do with the fertilizer yet, so I will just dig it out. I will just dig it out, and then I will put this thing over here. And then I will copy this layout over here also, because I remember that these things were not great. Oh, we already opened this thing, so we need to build this thing pronto. And we need to power them up. Yeah, I didn't intend on opening this so fast, but well, things happen sometimes, and it did happen, so we will be putting a liquid vent over here and a liquid pipe over here, and how do you think we will deal with that? Do I have the containers for water already? Because I remember there were things that you could do with the water. Let's see what we've got. We have these things. It was called the water filter or something. Water something. You could fill it with sand and it would clean the water for you like there was no tomorrow. Where is this thing? It's here. Water sieve, yes. Algae distiller, ethanol distiller, and water sieve. And we already have this liquid reservoir. Okay. So you're where? In plumbing? Nope. A liquid reservoir. Fantastic. In that case, I would like to put you over here. Yes. So say that you go like, let's start the time again, but let's slow it down. You go like that. You don't go anywhere. Cancel. Cancel the build. Pipes. See, I wanted to cancel this. Liquid pipe. Okay, I have to deconstruct it already. Okay. So there is another pipe over here that needs to go because yes, the water goes like this. And let's say we will cross here, liquid bridge, in and out, and liquid bridge, in and out, and we will pipe it all the way down here, and all the way down here, like so. Now, when you're filled, you should spill the water over here, which is fine. And you should go here. And you should connect to these. Helping everybody to, yes, to do the same thing. I mean, fill it up with water. Why is this thing not finished yet? Oh yeah, because you cannot get over there. That means we do need to put in a ladder here. We need to dig this for sure. And we need to add a fire pole starting from here, let's say, going all the way down. Yep. And this thing also needs to be priority 9. Yeah. What happens here? You want to give me something. 400 copper looks nice. Medicine and athletics and agriculture. Well, I guess we will take the copper. Yes, this thing needs to be taken care of. This code is assigned to Mari. Okay, let's assign it. And let's deconstruct this. And deconstruct this, and deconstruct this, and deconstruct this. Well, it's kind of going. How is the gas situation? Light. Input and output, yes. Decor, germs. We have some germs here, but not a lot. And we do have some here. Combat. Okay, we have this thing dealt with. We have the situation here under kind of control. And this is probably the most intensive task right now because there is not a lot of oxygen over here, I would imagine. And it is cold. And we are almost there. We really need the plumbing right now to be connected here with the priority of like this. Because when the thing starts pumping, we do not want the water to start spilling anywhere else. So this bit Where's the pipes? The pipes are here, right? And this is the next bit that we want done. Let's try to cut this. And when we will research the water filter, I guess we will be able to take care of this water and work with it a bit. These things are also not done, which is not the greatest solution. But what can I do? You are sleeping over there and you are not bothering anybody. I want to close it off and we will have the barracks done. This thing is not powered. No problem for now. It is no problem for now because yes, we are going to put this one over here. There is some water coming. Where is it coming from? It's coming from downstairs, yes. This water is pumping. Fantastic. I'm very happy that this thing is pumping. I would like this thing to be also ready to pump and work with all the things over here. So this thing now is priority 8. When we will fill this thing, research. Did we research everything? Okay then. We need pull transport systems. That what was that? I remember that was quite a good thing. I would like to get some sensors. Cycle sensor, weight plate, gas, liquid element sensor, not gate, timer sensor, light sensor. I wanted a water sensor, hydro sensor, yes. Okay, so let's go with this. And then let's go with, what is this? Exosuit overlay atmosuit. Let's try for the transport systems. Let's try for the transport systems next. Where was it? Here. And the sensors for water. Plumbing, advanced. Oh, this is already finished, yeah? The distillation. What does this do? Combines liquid and other inputs into fluid compounds. Yes, this is not anything. Bottle drainer, liquid intake fitting, wall toilet. Yeah. Where do we go from here? Let's go this way for now. And then we will go for this. And maybe this critter sensor, critter trap, fish trap, incubator. Yes, let's try like this. We have our work cut out for us. You are working here. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So this oxygen, it's polluted, but it should be better.
And that's it for those cycles. The Dupes somehow survived another day. Barely. Overseers watching and building projects are going on slowly. Next episode, couple more cycles, a couple more mistakes. Will we manage or will the colony fail? I'm open to suggestions and tips, so subscribe with bell and make sure you don't miss it. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the chaos and join the Dupe colony on Discord. See you on the asteroid.